Introducing the Rynox Defender Pro Handguards. Designed to shield your hands and motorcycle controls from debris, wind and unpredictable obstacles you may face on the road. Here's why the Defender Pro Handguards are your next must-have upgrade. Let's break it down. Every component you need to get a full wrap protection is included in the kit. No extra purchases required. The all-inclusive mounting kit that comes in the box makes the Defender Pro Handguards universally compatible with an extensive range of motorcycles. These can be installed on tapered or non-tapered handlebars with a diameter ranging from 22 mm to 28 mm. Here's what you get in the box. 2 protective shrouds, 2 fast-star protective sliders, 2 wind deflectors, 2 aluminium spines, 2 aluminium clamp sets, all required fasteners and mounting parts, and a detailed installation guide. The impact-resistant thermoplastic shroud is the primary defense mechanism of the Defender Pro Handguards. Aerodynamically shaped for high-speed stability and resistant to cracks and fractures, the modular wind deflector can be attached or removed for varying levels of wind protection. The deflector can also be removed for a more compact setup on technical terrain. The modular fast-star slider mounts to the outmost part of the spine, delivers maximum slide protection and is replaceable as an individual part if damaged in a crash. The spine, made from high-strength aluminum, is literally the backbone or the central support structure of the handguards. In addition, we've gone a step further and added Ceros impact foam between the spine and the shroud for shock resistance. The aluminum clamps and connector assembly anchors the spine to the handlebar. It is specifically designed to take into account the variations in the geometry of the wide range of handlebars and still provide full structural stability to the handguards. Lastly, high tensile strength, automotive grade fasteners secure all parts together in one cohesive unit and reduce the risk of fastener failure over the long service life of the handguards. All metal parts, including the spine, the clamps and the fasteners, are surface finished with an anti-corrosive coating, further extending their lifespan. Installing the Defender Pro Handguards is really easy, and the included installation guide makes it even easier. To further save installation time, the spine, shroud, deflector and slider come pre-assembled in the box. Engineered for strength, designed for protection, the Rynox Defender Pro Handguards ensure a zero-tolerance precision fit without compromising mobility or rider control. The Defender Pro Handguards are available in 2 colors, all black and white black. You can also watch the step-by-step tutorial video by clicking here. Discover more at rynoxgear.com.